So first question says, this sign is correct to the nearest thousand. What is the greatest possible number of people that live in Rome? So if it's correct to the greatest thousand, so that means the numbers over here are going to be 499 because 4 is less than 5. So if we round 6 according to 4, it would be 26,000. If, for example, it was 26599, 26599 would give us 27,000, not 26,000. So the greatest possible number of people that live in Rome is 26,499. Three identical regular pentagons are joined as shown. Find y. A pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So what we can do is we can find the interior angle using the formula n minus 2 times 180 over n. Since n is 5, so 5 minus 2 times 180 over 5, which is going to give us, that's going to be 108 degrees. So this angle is 108, which means this is also 108 because they're all identical regular pentagons. This is also 108. So for y, we're going to subtract these 108s from 360 to find the remaining angle, because all of these added together make a full circle, 6 degrees. That's your value of y. Tinin takes part in an archery competition. The probability of it being windy is 0.4. The probability of Tinin hitting a target in windy weather is 0.7. The probability of Tinin hitting a target when it is not windy is 0.9. Show that in a tree diagram. So we're going to start with putting windy over here and not windy over here, because that's what we're talking about first. And then we're talking about hitting a target and not hitting a target. So hitting a target, not hitting, and then again hitting and not hitting. So windy is 0.4. So not windy is going to be 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. Then hitting a target when it's windy, that's 0.7. So not hitting a target when it's windy is going to be 1 minus 0.7, which is 0.3. Similarly, the probability of hitting a target when it's not windy is 0.9. That's going to be over here, which means this is going to be 0.1. That is your tree diagram. Then it says find the probability of hitting the target. So for that, the route we're going to take is from here, from windy to hitting a target, then from not windy to hitting a target. So that's going to be 0.4 times 0.7 plus 0.6 times 0.9. And that's going to give us 0.82. That is your answer. Then it says work out a minus b. So for a minus b, what we're going to do is 6, negative 4, minus 2, 1, negative 2, 1. That's going to be 6 plus 2, negative 4 minus 1. And that's 8 and negative 5. That's your answer.